Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect Fedora Linux VM that's running on VMware Workstation to the Wi-Fi network. Now, I'm running this VM on a Windows 11 host machine. We'll look at how we can connect this virtual machine to the same Wi-Fi network as the host machine. The first thing we need to determine is the name of the Wi-Fi interface on the host machine. We can use this icon here on the bottom right. If you right click on it, go to network and internet, then you'll see your Wi-Fi here. Click on this arrow here, and then click on the arrow for the properties here. Scroll down and you'll see there's a description. So this is the name of the Wi-Fi interface. It's going to be Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AX200. There's also another way you can determine the name. You can use the control panel. Just search for control panel. Open the control panel, go to network and internet, go to network and sharing center, go to change adapter settings. Here you'll see all your interfaces on the host machine. And again, the name for the Wi-Fi interface is right here. Okay, now that we have the name, we need to change the settings on the VMware Workstation. If you click on edit, you'll see there is virtual network editor. Click on this. And then you see the virtual network editor open. Click on change settings. Click yes. You might have to click this. Now we'll be using the bridge adapter for the virtual machine. It's a VMnet 0. This is what we need to edit. So right here we have the bridge adapter again. Here's where you can select the interface that you want to use on the host machine. If you click on the down arrow, you see a list of all the interfaces, the same interfaces. So these are all the same interfaces we saw when we used the control panel. Since we already determined the name of the Wi-Fi interface, you can go ahead and select it here. So you see there's different Wi-Fi interfaces, this one, then there's also the wired interface. So just make sure you select the one for your machine, your host machine. So just select it. Once it's selected, you click OK and apply. Okay, now that we've done that, we'll go to the settings of the virtual machine. So select your Fedora Linux virtual machine, right click it, go to settings, go to network adapter. You want to use bridge. You don't want to use NAT because NAT is just going to share the host IP address. It's going to tell you here. If you're using NAT, it shares the host IP address. With bridged adapter, we'll get the virtual machine to get its own IP address via the wireless router. Once you made those changes, you can click OK. Then you can power on the virtual machine. What we'll do is we'll check the IP address we're getting, and then we'll verify that it's on the same subnet as the host machine. Now on the host machine, like I said, it's a Windows 11 machine. I'll do CMD. Then I can do IP config here. So the IP address for the wireless LAN adapter, which is for the Wi-Fi, is right here, 192.168.1.120. So we want to be on this subnet right here, but have a different. So we want to be on this subnet, but have a different IP address at the end. So I'll just log into this virtual machine, and I'll go ahead and open the terminal. Now to check the IP address, we'll use IP address command. The IP address we're getting is 192.168.1.189. So as you can see, it's on the same subnet as the host machine right here. Move this to the side. They're on the same subnet, but it has its own IP, which is .189. This is .120. Now with it having its own unique IP address, we can ping it, and we can also access it remotely using tools like SSH. So let's see if we can ping it. I'll ping 192.168.1.189 right here. Okay. So enter, and I'm able to ping it. So I sent 4 packets, received 4 packets, we lost 0 packets. Okay, so we've confirmed that it's reachable. You can also check and verify for internet connectivity. You can use ping, let's say count3, google.com. And I'm able to ping Google. I sent 3 packets and received 3 packets. You can also use a browser and go to a website. Go to YouTube, or you can go to Fedora Linux or YouTube. And there you are. And that's all. We've verified that we have internet connectivity. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Fedora Linux virtual machine to the Wi-Fi network on our VMware workstations. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.